Alright, here goes 2021 Firework Stash Part 3. We're in the fountains right now. Most of my stash is fountains this year for my show I'm throwing. Not really talking, just going through everything. Let y'all see, let y'all make your comments. Kind of want to see what you guys like out of everything. Those are Bane version last calls. Nice 500G right there. Two nice 500G fan cakes. Got 7 family packs. Already did one. Was a full case. Got Gold Rush, Neon Dream. Got a bunch of different brands this year. Alright, over here we got some fountain snappers, flea market snappers, world class snappers, quick fuse, 4 to 5 second. I got 10 and 12 second. I got slow fuse. What else is in here? More fuse, snappers on the bottom. Here goes a case of Whistling Chaser with Report by Wise Guy. Here goes, I had a case of these Vikings. I sold some, I did some. It's been very, very fun with these. These are really, really fun. Show you a full pack. Then I got another pack of rockets in there, I'll show you. Let's see, we got these right here. 2-year-old Red Apple Triumph rockets. Man, these are hitters. I love them. 12 in a pack. Here we got some tubes, some loose tubes. Got some more. Got a whole box full in it. Oh, here is a whole case and a half of smoke bombs. See, I got some world-class gushing smokes. A lot of Wise Guy smoke balls. That's a whole smoke ball box. It's just all smoke balls. 2 Metamorphosis. We have a whole case of these. They're laid out throughout the place. Ballerina's ball. Got 3 of those. Here goes 4 torches. Already did a few. Blow torches. Popcorn snowballs. Got a bunch of sparklers. Some Roman candles. I like to call it big motherfucker candle. We got some 8-ball color thunder. We have some little Roman candles that pop. We have some screaming thunder and color thunder. We have this. We have a whole pack of these in here. Dream Team candles. We have these. Bunch of the cool sparklers in there. My friend gave me a box of these, a 12-pack. Already did a few. Pretty fun. Just some loose mortars. I have a case of mortars in the shed, as well as a 101. I'll go show you guys after this. Whistling artillery shells, 4-inch. I got some 5-inch. For loose ones, 5-inch Nishiki willows, in focus. 5-inch Nishiki willows, all gold tops, and then these are warrior whistlings. Artillery shells. Let's work our way over here. That is a full case right now. That is a full case right now, and I have a case, and then I have 5 other ones. That is a full case, and I have 2 right there. That is a full case, Eric Rock, and I also have 9 spare over here. Here we got Neon Splash, whole case, 3 Max Overdrive, 3 Bullet Cherries by Brothers. Max Overdrive's a really good one. Overload fountain. Looks like a soda can plug. That's crazy. We have the bees, a whole case of bees. Haven't done any yet. Let's fix that up. Whole case of bees. We have 5 of these. 2 are laid out somewhere else. Got the California Sunrise, 6 of those. Let's make our way back over here. A whole case of Pyro Garden snow cones, whole case of Neon Font, 200 gram, 12 in a case, a whole case of Last Battle, 200 gram, 14 in a case. Had 12 of these, now I have 3. Bad Boys Fountain by Winda, more tropical fish fountains, Winda Cuckoo fountains, 4 Neon Force fountains, whole case of popcorn snowballs, 14 tea fountains, Independence Day, a whole case of colored valerian, a whole case of the Kiss of Dawn. Here's the other 5 all in one eruption. Here's 3 very, very, very big fountains. Case of Isis alarm clock. Case of Rocking by MC Fireworks. And a case of Hawaiian Vacation. I'm going to hold the camera with my hand, go to the shed, and show you a 101 that I want to show you guys. Give me a quick 5 to 10 seconds. Alright, so I did move the mortars out. As you can tell, I have a couple of these left. There's a bunch of stuff in there. A bunch of stuff in there. More smoke balls everywhere. But yeah, this one got for my buddy. Had to throw it in the video to show him. Clown Scorching Summer. This bitch is fucking big. Man, I wish I fucking kept one. Look how big that is. Woo! It's a full ass case, and it's 1 cake. I want to take it out and show you how big it is, dude. It is so big. But yeah, that's the stash, guys. Ready for the 4th, but I'll probably have about 2 to 3 more episodes coming through.